All right. Step 4, post-production. Congratulations, you have shot the film, and now it's time to get into the editing process. So this is where you take the film from just clips on your hard drive and make the movie a complete movie that is watchable as a real movie. There's going to be steps along the way, but you want to go through what they call a rough cut all the way to a locked picture. And when you have a locked picture, that means the picture is locked. There's no more editing, and that is it. Everything is done. Now, in the editing process, there's color grading. That what that does is give the film an actual color look. It gives you your film a look. If you've ever noticed, you may have seen, say, zombie apocalypse films. They have a certain sort of bluish, grayish look to them. Everything looks sort of gray and dull and dim. Then you see other movies that are really bright and vibrant. That's all done through color grading. Sound design. This is also where you add sound effects. You may have people come in and add certain things, all kinds of sounds that may have been missed when you were actually recording and shooting the movie. So you definitely want to come in and have things done like footsteps, doors closing, zippers, things like that. Anything that didn't quite get caught in the film while you were shooting, you can add in sound design. Next thing, voiceovers. You can also have people. This is when people come in do voiceover work. They can actually come in and dub their voice over an extra scene where they were talking, but for whatever reason it was too low or too high, whatever. They can come in and just sort of dub their voice over the scene, and it'll actually help fix the scene to where you don't have to actually go back out and shoot. You can just have someone do a voiceover and get that scene done. And then there's many, many more. I mean, anyone who's taking this course that has actually made a movie knows that actually in all of these steps, there's lots of other small things that you can do in all of these steps. But again, this course is on just the overview, the broad overview of all the steps that it takes to make a movie. And all of these things are some of the major steps in the post-production process. So there are lots of other things that go into post-production, but this is basically editing the film and taking the film from just some clips, movie clips that you've shot, into an actual watchable movie. So that's post-production, step 4. All right, we're going to move into step 5. And I will see you in step 5.